Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we help small business owners navigate the complexities of taxes and finances. As a small business owner, you know that managing your finances and taxes can be a daunting task. But with the right strategies and tools, you can save money and stay compliant with the law. In this video, we'll show you how to plan ahead, take advantage of tax deductions and credits, and stay organized so that you can focus on growing your business. First and foremost, it's important to work with a trusted accountant or financial advisor who can help you make informed decisions about your finances. One of the most helpful tools for small business tax planning is accounting software. By using software to track your expenses, invoicing, and payroll, you can save time and reduce the risk of errors. Another important consideration for small business tax planning is whether to incorporate your business. Incorporating can help reduce personal liability and provide tax benefits. To take advantage of all available tax deductions and credits, it's important to keep track of your expenses. This can be done manually or with the help of an expense tracking app. Another way to simplify tax tracking and reporting is to outsource certain tasks, such as payroll or bookkeeping. This can free up time and resources for other important aspects of your business. It's also important to stay up to date on changes in tax laws and regulations. The IRS provides guidelines and resources for small business owners to help them stay compliant with the law. And finally, keeping accurate records and receipts is essential for tax purposes and for the overall health of your business. Make sure to organize your records in a way that's easy to access and understand. Thanks for watching our video on small business tax planning. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on managing your small business finances. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.